Okay, so this is a update on the go-kart. This is an electric go-kart build. So I'm using a solid axle in the rear with bearing holders, pillow block, rear brake disc and 428 sprocket. So the tubing is 40 by 40 New Zealand steel tubing. Yeah, so let's go through it. I'll talk about the motor in a second. So here's the front end. So the same tyres all around. Now this does look quite overkill, the thickness of everything. Reason being is it was off my two-seater off-road go-kart, so it was much more heavy duty, but I've repurposed the components. So it shouldn't break because it's very solid. Little discs up front, so hopefully get some calipers for those. Have to find the right size. Just finishing, made up the front steering bearing holder there, so that works quite well. Nice and strong, no movement at all. And then here's the front steering part here. This came as a unit and just mounted into this universal joint, and then you can mount whatever steering wheel you want. So full lock, let's have a look. So it's got quite a good steering angle there. Yep, and then it should be the same for the other side. Yep, so hopefully it'll be enough steering. The only thing is it doesn't have any caster angle or anything on the front, so it'll be interesting to see how it actually steers. If it doesn't steer very well by not lifting the rear tyre when I steer, then I'll have to change this to one that's got a tilt on it. But the good thing about this can just unbolt and be removed, and then I can fabricate something else. So bolt together is good for the front end when you're stuffing around with things. Okay, so this is, so it's a very heavy duty frame. It's heavy, so it looks heavy and it is heavy. It's not fully painted or finished yet. I have to do some welding underneath. This is the motor. So this is the QS138 72 volt motor. So that's going to sit on here, weld to here, and then I'm going to bring a piece of plate welded here, and it's going to sit directly on here. I've made up a motor mount for it, so it's solid as. It's going to sit there, and I expect this thing will go pretty damn fast. 60-70 kilometers an hour, I'd imagine, quite easily. Looks to be reasonably scary at that speed. So yeah, I'll just show you the full lock on the steering again. So it's not quite centered, but full lock that way, full lock that way. So it's pretty good. But yeah, so that's, we'll do another video once the motor's on and battery and what have you, brakes possibly, and show you from there. So there you go.